Okay, boys, today we are going to talk about magnetism. May the force be with you. Find out what magnets are and that magnets can attract or repel each other. Attract mean they can come closer to each other or touch like this, and repel means they can push the other piece of the magnet. Okay, the idea is magnetism is an invisible force that can lift very heavy weights. You can see here the mechanism, this machine, magnetic machine, electromagnetic, it's lifting very heavy weights of iron and other things which are magnetic. The electromagnet in
Stop.
photograph, Osama, be with me, let me finish. Electromagnet in the photograph could be a million times stronger than one you made. This is million times stronger. Where do you people use very strong electromagnetism to lift things? They use in the big places where they have a lot of iron and cobalt and nickel and aluminium and plastic. There are a lot of things. So they want to sort them out by using electromagnetism. How do magnets work? The question is. Magnetism is an invisible force of attraction between some metals. The magnetic force comes from the billions of tiny particles called atoms that make up the metal. Each atom is like a very tiny magnet. You can see here N and S. This side is, there are two corners. Okay, magnets have two ends. One, two ends that are called poles. This pole and this pole. They have two poles. One end is north pole, which is shown as N, and the other is the south pole, S. In non-magnetic metals, all the tiny magnetic atoms point in different directions. Here you can see magnets and here you can see non-magnets. In non-magnet things like plastic and wood or paper, their north and south poles are like this, no sequence. But in magnet, there is a sequence, north, south, north, south. Okay. In a magnet, all the north ends of the tiny magnetic atoms point north and all the south ends point south. When the atoms are lined up, an invisible magnetic force appears which is called magnetism. Okay, you can see here non-magnetic things, non-magnetic things which are like wood and plastic and paper. So their ends are different, but in magnet they have sequence. Okay, next page.
Well, I saw it, but the storm,
Sorry, Abdullah, I can't hear you.
magnet, the storm is can go in the yes. The magnet is going the storm.
I can't hear you well, Abdullah Lehan. Check your internet, please. Stay closer to your device and then talk. Why does
They're
next?
not good.
Yes. Abdullah Faisal, please be quiet.
Yes.
Why does Earth
How
have
are you
a
video?
north pole, a south pole? At the center of the Earth, there is a liquid core. There is a liquid outer core. The core is made up of molten metals that one that are magnetic. Molten metals, those are magnetic. it creates a massive
The
magnetic
sun, dude.
pulling power, pulling force at each end. This force wraps around the Earth's surface and creates the Earth's magnetic field with a north and south end. The north end of a bar magnet is attracted to the North Pole. The South Pole or south end is a bar magnet is attracted to the South Pole. It's mean opposite poles attract each other, and same poles or like poles they push or repel each other. Okay, this is magnetic North Pole, this is magnetic South Pole of the Earth. Okay, so as we know, if you and me or anybody throws something up, it will come down or falls down. Why? Because of magnetic field of the Earth. This is called gravity of the Earth. Okay, so Earth is also behaves like a magnet. Now we will discuss compass. You can see here a picture which is compass. Abdullah, a compass is a magnet that can turn freely, so it always lies in north to south direction. It will stay on north and this will stay on south, north to south. When is it helpful to have a compass? How does a compass help to us to find our way? Because it stays on north to south. If you want to go east, okay, if it will stay north to south and you are going this way, it's mean you are going the right way. Okay, or if you want to go west, and the north and south will help you to go west when you are traveling into the sea. Okay, draw lines to match beginning and endings of the sentences about magnets. Number 1, inside a metal magnet there are millions of tiny particles called atoms. Okay, it is done for you. Number 2, each atom has, it will go to a north pole and a south pole. Number 3, when all the atoms point in the same direction, the metal becomes magnetic. Number 4,
Open new
the
videos.
north pole of a magnet is attracted to Earth's north pole. We can use this to make a compass. Okay, boys. So this is it. We discussed about magnets and about compass. The Earth also
Open
like,
this, open
yes.
new video.
Okay, boys. This is it for today.
Why
If you
can
have
you
any,
open new video?
if you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.